I'm glad you found this video. And if you're watching it, odds are pretty good you've been struggling with some level of erectile dysfunction. And whether that's moderate erectile dysfunction once in a while, or it's a more severe case of erectile dysfunction, you're looking for a solution. And maybe you've tried an oral medication with limited success or no success whatsoever. And I just want to talk about this product that has been in existence since the 1980s. That's right. For 40 plus years, doctors have been prescribing or recommending vacuum erection devices for their patients struggling with erectile dysfunction. But how does a vacuum erection device work? Well, a vacuum erection device is a medical device designed to help you achieve and maintain an erection by using gentle, controlled negative pressure. In simple terms, it draws blood into the penis, creating a firm erection, and does so without oral medications, does so naturally. No medication, no surgery, no injections, just the device. Now you can see here the image of an Erectile system. That's one of the systems that we have here at Tim Medical. It includes the pump and the cylinder. You put those two together, and now you've got a vacuum erection device. Now, with all of our systems, they also include the inserts that are helpful, the tension rings that help hold the erection, and as well as a loading device that helps you get the tension ring onto the cylinder before you transfer that on to the base of the penis. Who should avoid using a vacuum erection device? Anybody who's diagnosed with bleeding disorders. There's an increased risk in bruising or internal bleeding because of that negative pressure that the vacuum is applying to the penis. Also, if you are using strong blood thinners, there's a likelihood of bruising or hematoma or even bleeding by using a vacuum erection device. Sickle cell disease or blood cell disorders, those patients should avoid using a vacuum erection device. If you struggle with neuropathy, there's a decreased nerve sensation in the penile region, avoid using a vacuum erection device. And then finally, and this is one where you check with your doctor because it's probably entirely safe, but if you are recovering from a radical prostatectomy, any sort of pelvic surgery, check with your doctor. They're going to have a timeline for you if they want you to use a vacuum erection device. So who benefits from a vacuum erection device? If you've cleared all those other hurdles that I just listed on the screen, if you're a patient who has tried oral medications, Cialis, Viagra, Levitra, Stendra, any one of those medications, and you've gotten moderate results or no results at all in a positive direction toward building erectile function, then a vacuum erection device might be a perfect solution for you. If you don't want to take a drug, you don't want injections, then a vacuum erection device might be right for you. If you're recovering from prostate surgery, you're a prostate cancer survivor, but make sure you check with your doctor because they're not going to want you to get started too soon after surgery. But this is good information for you to have as you begin that journey. I know that this was a very brief video. It was designed that way to just introduce you to a vacuum erection device. I would encourage you to check out our website at timmedical.com or write to us at education@timmedical.com. If you have any questions, you can look at all of the videos we have on our YouTube channel to see all the different systems we have, the troubleshooting, suggestions, and tips. We want you to be successful. And the one thing I'll say to you, and I don't badmouth our competitors in any way, shape, or form, there are some really great products out there in the vacuum erection device space, but make sure if you'll just do this. Number one, get clearance from your doctor before you even engage with a vacuum erection device. And make sure that the systems that you're looking at, check their website, make sure that they've received FDA clearance for their systems, because you can go on any number of places and find systems that are inferior, that don't meet those safety standards. So I strongly encourage you to do that. And if you do decide to buy a system from us at timmedical.com, always enter the code YouTube15 and you'll save 15% off your system and any accessories down the line that you need to pick up to ensure your success.